Welcome to English Clarity Hub.
Knife. A sharp knife is essential for cutting vegetables and meats. Fork. Use a fork to pick up food while eating. Spoon. A spoon is perfect for eating soup or stirring tea. Pot. Use a pot to boil water or cook soups. Pan. A pan is used to fry eggs or vegetables. Ladle. A ladle is used to serve soups or stews. Spatula. A spatula is perfect for flipping pancakes or eggs. Peeler. Peel fruits and vegetables easily with a peeler. Whisk. Use a whisk to blend eggs or sauces smoothly. Tongs. Tongs help you safely flip or grab hot food. Kettle. Boil water for tea or coffee in a kettle. Cutting board. Always use a cutting board to protect your countertops. Colander. A colander drains water from pasta or washed vegetables. Grater. A grater shreds cheese or vegetables into small pieces. Rolling pin. A rolling pin flattens dough for baking. Measuring cups. Use measuring cups to ensure accurate amounts of ingredients. Measuring spoons. Measuring spoons are perfect for small ingredient quantities. Mixing bowl. A mixing bowl is great for combining ingredients. Can opener. Open canned foods easily with a can opener. Pizza cutter. Slice your pizza cleanly with a pizza cutter. Potato masher. Mash potatoes or other soft foods with potato masher. Ice cream scoop. Scoop ice cream easily with an ice cream scoop. Funnel. Pour liquids neatly into containers using a funnel. Plate. We serve food on a plate. Tray. Carry drinks and snacks on a tray. Glass. Pour water or juice into a glass to drink. Stove. I cook food on the stove with pots and pans. toaster. A toaster makes bread slices crispy and golden. Apron. Wear an apron to keep your clothes clean while cooking. Microwave. Heat food quickly in the microwave. Oven mitt. Use an oven mitt to protect your hands from hot pans.